So this jewelry box is made out of bird's eye maple, roasted bird's eye maple. So it has that kind of roasted look, right? And it has red heart splines. Kind of a neat pinky watermelon-y looking wood. Pretty cool. This roasted bird's eye maple is very nice. It almost is iridescent or three-dimensional. It's almost like looking at a hologram when you're looking at this wood at different angles. It's pretty cool. All right, so we open it up and we have a nice internal red heart box, which is very rare, very expensive wood. Quite nice. It has a nice look to it. This has also the splines, contrasting splines of roasted bird's eye maple. So again, kind of a neat box. This one's a little bit of a different shape, a little bit smaller but wider. Also with the nice Brusso hinges, and so there you go.